Some of these cost less than $50, one hides an entire bed inside a wall, and every single one is on Amazon right now. I researched 25 space-saving pieces that make a small place live twice as big. Real prices on screen. Subscribe so you don't miss the best ones. And comment the square footage you're working with. Let's start. Number 25 is the easiest win in the whole house, the dead space under your bed. These LIFEWIT bins are 4 giant zip-up drawers that slide under the frame and swallow comforters, sweaters, and off-season clothes. The clear tops mean no digging, and at 18 bucks, it's the cheapest square footage you'll ever buy. This SONGMICS bench does 3 jobs at once: footrest, extra seat, and a hidden blanket box sturdy enough to hold a grown adult on top. When guests leave, it folds flat in seconds. For tiny living rooms, it's the one piece quietly hiding all the clutter, and it's $40. Number 23 is the Small Space Classic. The CLOSETMAID 9 Cube goes vertical instead of eating floor, and you decide what it becomes: bookshelf, room divider, entryway drop zone, or a TV stand with bins. The fabric drawers hide the mess instantly. $61, and it adapts to any room. Here's a desk that isn't there until you need it. The TEAMIX table mounts flat to the wall like a shelf, then folds down into a real workspace for a laptop or dinner for one. Done for the day, it tucks away and gives the whole room back. In a studio, it's the only desk that fits, $40. Number 21 solves the guest problem without a guest room. This YAHEETECH floor chair reclines through 6 positions: upright for gaming, flat for napping, then folds to almost nothing in a closet. Keep 2 behind the couch for movie night, then make them vanish. $50 for seating you never have to find room for. That's the warm-up. From here, these stop saving inches and start transforming whole rooms. And a few you won't believe fold up this small. At 20, a gadget that turns a corner into a closet. The SPACEAID tower spins a full 360 degrees and stacks 7 tiers of shoes in the footprint of one floor tile. It holds more than a whole rack while taking up almost nothing. Just spin it to find your pair. About $116. Number 19 goes up where you can't go out. This TRIBESIGNS shelf is narrow and tall, turning bare wall height into storage for books and plants without crowding the floor. And the industrial wood and metal look reads boutique, not budget. $163 to use the dimensions small rooms always waste, vertical. 18 is a dining table that hides when it's not dinner. The COMUHOME folds to a slim console against the wall, then both leaves swing up to seat 4 or 6, with the chairs and extras stored right inside. For apartment dwellers, it's the piece that finally made hosting possible. $329, and it shape-shifts on demand. Number 17 is deceptively clever. This VASAGLE bench looks like a padded seat at the foot of the bed, but the whole top lifts to reveal deep hidden storage. Toss in blankets and shoes, then sit right back down on top. It's that rare piece that's genuinely pretty and practical. $111. 16 is the entryway fix for homes with no entryway. The PETKABOO bench gives you a spot to sit and lace up, a hidden drawer for keys, and storage below, in a footprint barely wider than your doorway. It ends the daily shoe pile by the front door, $88. Number 15 is one piece that's secretly 3. These Nathan James nesting tables tuck completely inside each other, taking the space of one, then slide apart the moment company arrives, giving everyone a surface for a drink. The warm wood and metal design looks intentional, not like a compromise. And when the night ends, they nest back into a single tidy stack. $147 for furniture that grows with your guest list. 14 is proof a home office doesn't need a whole room. This ODK desk is built narrow on purpose, slipping into a bedroom corner, with side shelves that replace a separate cabinet for your printer and books. People working from tiny apartments say it handed them a real workspace without surrendering a room. It rolls where you need it, and at $60, it's the easiest upgrade here. Number 13 turns the biggest thing you own into storage. The ZINUS SHAWN frame leaves a tall open gap underneath, enough to slide in bins, luggage, or those LIFEWIT bags from number 25. No box spring needed, and it clicks together in minutes. Buyers keep calling it the quiet, small space MVP, $57. 12 decides whether one room can be 2. The NOVOGRATZ BRITTANY looks like a stylish sofa by day, then folds back into a full bed for guests in seconds. No wrestling, no separate mattress. In a studio, it's the difference between having people over and having nowhere to put them, and the mid-century look earns its spot even as just a couch. $329. Number 11 is a small space staple. The WLIVE tall dresser stacks fabric drawers straight up, holding a full wardrobe in the floor space of a nightstand. Perfect when your closet is the size of a phone booth. It's lightweight, the bins pull all the way out, and it anchors to the wall so it can't tip. $70 for a dresser that finally fits. That's the top 10, and this is where the prices and the payoffs both climb. If a piece has earned a spot on your list, hit subscribe. 10 is the nightstand that ended cord chaos, and you get a pair. This WLIVE set has a built-in charging station on each table, with USB ports and an outlet right in the frame, so your phone, watch, and earbuds all charge from your bedside. There's a drawer and an open shelf for everything else. It kills the cable tangle and the second power strip. $100 for 2 nightstands that double as a charging hub. Number 9 is a desk that brought its own power. The Roland Star has outlets and USB ports built into the frame, plus open shelves and hooks, so a whole workstation runs from one wall plug. It reverses to fit either side of a tight corner. For anyone with no room for a real office, it's the closest thing, and it keeps the clutter up off the surface. $110. 8 is the coffee table that becomes a desk and a dining table. The Ellixus top lifts and slides toward you, so you can eat, work, or game from the couch, then drops back down with 2 deep compartments hiding everything underneath. Live and work in one room, and it quietly replaces 3 separate pieces. The budget shock of this tier? $53. Number 7 is 4 pieces of furniture pretending to be one. This Big Z folds 4 ways: a sofa, a chaise lounger, a single bed, or a flat day bed. So one frame covers seating, a guest bed, and a nap spot. It tucks into a corner, the cushions are reversible, and at $240, it's the cheapest way to add a whole extra bed without adding a whole extra room. In a studio, it quietly does the work of 3. 6 is the move that reclaims an entire room. Go up. The DHP loft bed lifts your mattress toward the ceiling and opens the whole space underneath for a desk, a dresser, or a lounge, stacking your bedroom on top of your office. It's the dorm and studio secret that doubles a tiny floor plan without knocking down a single wall. It's the most square footage one piece can hand back. $327. Top 5. The heavy hitters that make people stop and stare. If this is helping, drop a like and comment which one you buy first. Number 5 is a magic trick disguised as a table. Closed, the VASAGLE is a slim console hugging the wall, barely a foot deep, the kind of thing you'd set a lamp on. But it pulls open and extends into a dining table long enough for a real dinner party, then collapses back to a sliver once the plates are cleared. For apartments, it's the single piece that allows hosting without a dining room. $210. At 4, the piece blowing up online right now. The Aramint is a boneless, foldable floor sofa in soft corduroy. No rigid frame at all, so it reshapes into a couch, a lounger, 2 separate seats, or folds flat into a bed in seconds. It moves room to room with one hand, stores in a closet, and at $170, it's one of the cheapest extra beds you'll find. For studios, dorms, and movie nights, it's the one everyone's asking about. Number 3 hides a closet where you'd least expect it. Inside your bed. The Alui frame is upholstered and looks completely ordinary, but the entire mattress lifts on a gas piston to reveal a giant storage cavity underneath, deep enough for luggage, bedding, even out-of-season clothes. It's the answer for bedrooms with no closet to spare, and lifting it takes a single hand. That's the largest hidden storage in your home, in space you already own. $340. At 2, the couch that becomes whatever the room needs. The Monvane is a modular cloud sectional. Soft, oversized pieces you rearrange into an L, a giant lounger, 2 chairs, or pull apart into a bed when someone crashes over. In a small place, one couch covers every situation instead of 3. It's as comfortable as it is flexible, and the cloud look is all over your feed right now. $750. And it's almost the best. That's 24. Remember the bed hiding inside a wall? Number 1 gives back a whole room, then makes it vanish. Last guess below. The number 1 space-saving piece on Amazon in 2026 is the AmberLife Queen Murphy bed at $490. Here's why it wins. First, the surprise. A full queen bed folds up into a cabinet against the wall, so by day, your bedroom becomes a living room, office, or gym. No one would guess a bed is in there. Second, it isn't just a bed. It includes built-in shelves and a charging station, storing your things and powering your devices too. Third, it reclaims the biggest footprint in any home, the bed itself, and hands that floor back every morning. One piece that turns one room into two. Buy one thing from this list, make it this. That's 25 ways to make a small space live large. Every link and price is waiting in the description. Which one are you buying first? Tell me below. Subscribe for more finds like these, and I'll see you in the next one, where we shrink an entire kitchen.